It won't be easy. You'll think it's strange when I try to explain how I feel, that I still need your love after all that I've done. You won't believe me. All you will see is a girl you once knew, although she's raised up to the nines, at 6s and 7 with you. I had to let it happen. I had to change. Couldn't stay all my life. Now what here, looking out of the window, staying out of the sun. So